This is my regular ink mix that I divided in 5 sections. We have 100% on the left, followed by 75%, 50%, 25%, and 3 drops, which is all mixed with distilled water. I also have 2 cups that contains only water to clean my needles. Today, we're going to learn about a light soft shade. I use bug pin needles for this technique, which enables me to have a lighter and softer shading. Don't forget to apply Vaseline. This method is an advanced one and can be tricky to master, making it prone to errors. Apprentices and new artists should be careful and practice before using this technique. Achieving consistent tones on larger surfaces can be challenging and requires skill refinement. I'm building my edges by making my movements smaller and more precise. As slow pendulum motion and applying the same pressure consistently is mandatory to execute this perfectly. Work the skin with the lightest tone of your mix and make sure not to overpass too much on the same area, as it will darken it faster. If you are interested in becoming a tattoo artist or upgrading your skill set, we provide an extensive tattoo training program that explores these techniques in more detail and covers a wide range of additional skills. For more information, you can contact us and visit our website at www.rawtattooshop.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tattoo content. Feel free to comment below with any questions or feedback. Enjoy the rest of our video. Thanks for watching. Until next time, for more tattoos, tips, and tricks.